Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne and I'm back with another burning eBay question. And I got this question 3 times in one day, so it's time for a video. The question is, when selling puzzles, do I have to count the pieces or work the puzzle and take a picture of it showing all the pieces are present? I have been selling lots of puzzles lately because with the world we live in now, not as many activities are available, so people are figuring out more things they can do at home to pass the time and also be engaged with their family. Puzzles are just a great product all the way around. I sold this one a few days ago. I paid $2 for it. It sold for full price of $49.97 and shipped to Australia. So we have a puzzle with a map of Ireland shipping from the United States to Australia. Lots of global interaction there. Anyway, my profit on this puzzle was $44.88. This was brand new in the package. Another one, Ravensburger. I paid $2 for this. I sold it for $40. This one was new, but it was not sealed. And then another one, Stranger Things puzzle. I paid $1.06 for this, sold it for $15. Profit was $10.96. This one was new but not sealed. So what I do is I have a disclaimer in my description box. It's the same whether the puzzle is new or used, and I say we did not work the puzzle or count the pieces, so we cannot guarantee all pieces are present. It's the same for a used puzzle. We did not work it, so we cannot guarantee all pieces are present. Now, there's been a lot of discussion about this on the Facebook group where some people like to work them and show the assembled puzzle. Sometimes it's missing pieces, sometimes not. But buyers really don't care because people work puzzles for fun. It's a great interactive activity with family or friends or wherever you are. And it's great brain work. So a lot of times they don't even care if all the pieces are present. They're just doing it for the sake of the activity, not focusing on the finished product. A lot of people don't care if pieces are missing. And then a side note on that is sometimes brand new puzzles sealed will have missing pieces. There's actually a website called Serious Puzzles. They have a jigsaw puzzle missing piece guide, a complete step-by-step guide to obtaining that dastardly missing piece. It says, if you have even a moderate amount of experience with jigsaw puzzles, you probably encountered the horror of realizing that your beloved puzzle is nearly complete except for a missing piece. No! Fear not. The good news is, with modern manufacturing methods, a missing piece at a manufacturing time is really quite rare. It's likely your piece is within reach. Follow the instructions below, and your chances of finding the absent puzzle piece will be quite good. And they go through all kinds of things to remind you of where to look for it. It might be right there somewhere around you and you just dropped it, or it got vacuumed or whatever. But they go on to say, if you believe you've lost a jigsaw puzzle piece and it can't be found, or that your puzzle is defective and the missing piece was never there, then your first and best course of action is to contact the manufacturer. They will be able to help you with the next step and will want to know if there is a manufacturing issue. Please note that while most manufacturers are not able to replace individual pieces due to replacing or rotating cutting dies for reasons such as service, sharpening, or production availability, they may be able to replace your entire puzzle for you. We do encourage you to complete your jigsaw puzzle before contacting the manufacturer about a missing piece, keeping in mind that the piece count on the jigsaw puzzle box is more often than not an estimate rather than an exact number. So the puzzle may say 1,000 pieces on it and you count them and there's 1,004 or 996. You're not going to know if anything's missing unless you assemble it and see. So let me say that again. Keeping in mind that the piece count on the jigsaw puzzle box is more often than not an estimate rather than an exact number. So counting the pieces really isn't the best way to go anyway if you want to verify all the pieces are present. Assembling the puzzle is the way to check that. And they have a guide below this information with puzzle manufacturers and their contact information. This list of manufacturers goes on and on. There's a whole bunch on there. But you can contact the company and tell them we assembled the puzzle, we looked everywhere, we can't find the piece, here's a picture of it, and they may send you a brand new puzzle that has all the pieces in it. So don't stress over assembling the puzzle if you don't want to do it. Some people love doing it, so that's fine. Or counting the pieces, because even the count may not be accurate, as I just explained. So that is the answer to the question of, do I have to count the puzzle pieces or do I have to assemble the puzzle before selling it? No, you do not. But you can use that disclaimer in your listing that you did not assemble it and you did not count the pieces, so you cannot guarantee they're all present, and that will cover you if the buyer assembles it and there's something missing. You've already told them that you can't guarantee all pieces are present. I hope that helps. Keep listing those puzzles because they're selling very well right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day on eBay. Bye.